Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to create one of those fancy cutting boards you see at your friend's house, or one that you saw on TV but just don't know how to do it? Well, today we're going to show you how easy it is to make a simple cutting board without any special tools. That's right. Eric and I wanted to create a video you can follow along with to create a simple cutting board you can give as a gift for any occasion, or just have one around the house. We encourage you to follow along, but you can stop this video at any time to gather any materials, or just go back and watch this section over again. So today we're going to cover sourcing materials and supplies, preparing and dry fitting your custom pattern or layout, gluing and clamping your product, and finally sanding and finishing your project. So I'm going to pass it over to Eric and he'll walk you through the process. Take it away. Thanks, Eric. Well, like the other one said, I'm going to walk you through each of the steps. First, let's get some materials to make this custom creation. You can find cutting board kits all over the internet or at woodworking stores. This is the easiest way to source materials since the wood comes as S4S lumber, which means surfaced on all four sides. We will also need to grab the following materials. We'll need some waterproof glue, a clamping kit, some sanding discs, and some finishing products. So let's get into the build.
Now let's go ahead and protect our surface and start laying out a pattern of our choosing. Play around with it a little bit until you find something you really like. Once everything's in order, go ahead and square up the edges. Now we're going to grab the waterproof glue and prepare it for bonding. Go ahead and turn the first board 90 degrees and pull it to the back. Do this for each subsequent board with the exception of the very first one in the series. We're going to be gluing the edge of the second board and bonding it together with clamps. Now apply a layer of glue to the edge of each of the boards in series. Get ready to apply it evenly with your finger to spread the glue across the whole surface of the edge. Once you do this, lay the boards flat and then get ready to clamp them all together. Now go ahead and set up your clamps, ensuring that the edge of the board is even all the way down. When you clamp up the boards, there will be a little bit of squeeze out, which is okay. Go ahead and use a damp rag and wipe it off. Make sure you flip the board over and do the same thing for the other side. You're not going to be able to get the entire bit of glue because it'll be under the clamps, but you'll take care of that on the cleanup. Once you're done, flip it back over, dry it off, and then wait till tomorrow. Now go ahead and unclamp and get ready for sanding. We like to use 80, 120, 180, and 220 sanding grips. Make sure you draw a line in between each sanding session, that way you can see if you missed any areas. Go ahead and clean off between each session with a clean cloth. Now let's finish it with some oil and conditioner. Look at the board shine. Go ahead and rub the oil in one coat at a time. Make sure you let the coat dry. Then apply your conditioner. Same process. 1 to 2 coats of conditioner and let it air dry in between each one. Then wipe it off with a clean dry rag and get ready for the reveal.
Well, we finished the build, y'all, and it looks amazing. I'm going to pass it over to Eric for a final review. Eric, come on in. Wow! Eric, that looks amazing. I can't believe you made that with a pre-packaged kit of wood. I mean, you didn't even use any sauce. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. I hope you're able to follow along, rewind it as many times as you need. Let's do a quick review. First, we gathered and sourced all of our materials. Then, we laid out the pattern of our choosing and glued and clamped it together. After 24 hours, we then took it out of the clamps, sanded, and finished this project with some conditioner and oil. Man, it looks great. I hope you all enjoyed it, and for me and Eric, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.